She made my past very clear, which I was little confused and absurd about. And that's how my coaching journey with ma'am started at Coaching JD. So IELTS journey has been really remarkable for me. I would say it was not a very smooth journey. I really wish it was not a smooth journey because of course smooth journeys don't make good drivers. She coached me pretty well. She guided me very well on how to attempt, how to achieve every single task of every kind required in the curriculum or any other thing. So that's what taught me that that is the way how you accept, how you take up an exam. And when I got my score, I was very happy because it was almost what I had been eyeing. Because I was pretty much underconfident about it, but ma'am was the one who, let me open my eyes to the real potential I had.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and thank you for watching this video. Today we will be sharing another success story of Coaching Genie with us. A very inspiring story of one of the favorite students of Coaching Genie, of Jasveer ma'am, who has done wonders in her throughout journey of IELTS coaching, study overseas journey as well. She will be flying to UK soon and we will be discussing about her story and what kind of feedback and what her journey has been through while getting associated with Coaching Uni. So hi Celine, welcome.
Hi.
And thank you for joining us. So first of all, tell us about your background, like why and how did you got to know about us and something about yourself as well.
I am a very sports oriented person. I have been into sports for the past 14 years now. And whatever I look out for in everything is supposedly related to sports somehow. Or even if a bit far from that, I try to relate it to the same. And I am a postgraduate in sports already, which I completed in 2019. So after I had some assignments on my belt in sports, I somehow recognized that India is not much grown in this field. Hence, I should acquire some other thing which would make me have more opportunities in the same field. So I thought about studying abroad about it, getting some courses which are recognized internationally, and that would help me for growing in the same field. So there was this one idea in my mind that for any admission I would require, I would need to clear IELTS if I would like to go to Anglophone countries like
Yes.
UK, Australia,
Yes.
etc. So I reached out to my sister and very vividly and very nonchalantly she recommended me the name of Jasveer ma'am, that she is the one who is a good coaching mentor and she can relatively guide me for the same. So that was one stop solution for me because I had heard about her previously from the times when she used to be her head at the college for placement services. So I just reached out to her in one instance. She made my past very clear, which I was little confused and absurd about. And that's how my coaching journey with ma'am started at Coaching JD. So IELTS journey has been really remarkable for me. I would say it was not a very smooth journey. I really wish it was not a smooth journey because of course smooth journeys don't make good drivers. I want to be a relentless one. So I started with ma'am in February this year, and over the period of 3 months, I completed my entire curriculum of IELTS with her. Not even for once I thought that some or the other thing was becoming a block for me, because it is all in our mind that we should become decisive or indecisive or not, and how much are we independent and open in our thoughts about everything that comes in our mind. She coached me pretty well. She guided me very well on how to attempt, how to achieve every single task of every kind required in the curriculum or any other thing. So that's what taught me that that is the way how you accept, how you take up an exam. And when I got my score, I was very happy because it was almost what I had been eyeing. Because I was pretty much underconfident about it, but ma'am was the one who, let me open my eyes to the real potential I had. So that was my, I would say, how I would summarize my journey of IELTS with coaching.
Great, that's really an inspiring story, and you really gave us a good explanation on how you got associated with it and how you turned each and every baby steps into big journey of getting this far with us. So secondly, like we know that there are so many consultants, overseas agents out there who are giving these services. People who want to go study abroad in any country they want to go. So how do you differentiate them, those consultants and agents with Coaching Genie? Because she described herself as a mentor, life coach, and empowering person and value adding person in another person's life. So how do you differentiate her with other people, and how her way of teaching and how her packages are different from other study overseas consultants and agents?
The foremost step would be to say about the rudimentary requirements. Every consultant acts only as a consultant and not as a person who's actually concerned for us.
Yeah.
Jasbir ma'am is actually a person who will not only be concerned, but she'll just dig deep into you and yourself beyond the boundaries of what you would also not know of yourself. So that is quite the thing which everyone should visit, or if they should let anybody else visit, so that they can, conquer it and just achieve whatever they wish to according to that. Because if you don't know the depth of anything, you'll never be able to achieve it. That is how you are open to things, and that is the way you give others to get into your mind and see wherever the repercussions are there, wherever the disadvantages or negative points are there, to cater to them, to rectify them, to ratify them, or to revocate them. There's this thing which ma'am also suggested me, that I'm advising something, you take it forward. If you will not take it forward, you will be a step backward. This is something which I always kept in my mind. And that is the difference that I saw amongst other people from ma'am, that she has been really considerate not only on the academic front for securing good marks in IELTS, but on the personality development as well. And I am not ready to pay a very low sum of money to person who will be doing only one module with me, but I would happily pay a double of that amount, who would be raising my personality and my intellect as well.
Great to know about that. So I mean, it's really inspiring to know that you got so much insight from her, being her student. In such a short time, you got so much from her. You learned so many things from her. So now what next? Like, how you think your journey is coming to me? Because you already got enrolled into a university you were targeting for. You already have a good IELTS score. Now you will be flying to UK. You got your visa. So how that process went through? Like, because her team also supports with the visa filing process as well, looking that thing, how those kind of services were, and how you look forward to starting your journey in UK, and what are, like, after support you can get from Coaching Genie once you are there. So please tell me something about those.
Okay, first of all, kudos to the entire team. They have left no stones unturned for my potential to be risen to the greatest heights possible, which we can see, of course. Not only ma'am, but of course you, sir, and your brother, of course. You do pretty well. So now that I'm on the brink of going to UK, I am eyeing another thing now, that after I reach over there, I'm not only there to work and study. I'm going to explore so that I can raise an awareness, or raise an expertise or an intellect with other people, so that they are aware about the same, that yeah, there is something called intellect which should be risen, and there's not only the thing that you do your job, but there are several other things to be pointed out along with your jobs. It is not only that you perform the work given, or you try to sustain like an engine of your household, but you try to promulgate several things into it. Now I'll try to achieve those things, and you can say the corporations or agencies or etc., which are the cream for me, and I need to learn a method through which I can give back as well, because that is the primary thing which you do. If one has been rewarded enough to be content with something, it means that you have been pushed to another step, that now, yeah, it is the time you give it to somebody else as well. So that is what I'm going to eye once I settle myself in another country, so that I can actually make people aware that only one thing which is contacts, or only one thing which is the education, is not the only thing which will get you everywhere. There are several other things to be taken care of.
Great. So just one final question I would like to ask. So which course and what exactly you're going to study in UK, and having a personal connect with Jasveer ma'am, coaching Ginny, what kind of value she was able to add with to your this study overseas journey when you started working with her?
Okay, so I'm going to pursue MA in sports journalism in Sheffield Hallam University.
Okay.
And I was not very keen on the knowledge of writing. I was very underconfident of the level of English which I had. But once I started my program with ma'am, which was coaching and then doing overseas program as well, I actually deducted it myself, and from the result of my IELTS exam also, that I'm pretty fluent, and I can actually conquer that level, which most of the people in the world cannot on professional levels as well, or being professionally equipped with the language. So that is where ma'am helped me, that you got to recognize, you got to take off those windy glasses from your eyes off so that you can see your own talent. So I recognized myself and my achievements through it, and once we started the overseas program, I was pretty keen to look into this side of the applications, because I was actually nobody who knew about studying overseas or abroad, whatever the procedures are. I had a very minuscule knowledge about it, so very minimal one. The team, of course, your team has helped me a lot to go through it, and once I am going to proceed to another country, I want to make sure that I don't lose touch with the team, because it is a part of giving back. I cannot leave a person aside who has helped me achieve a very big milestone in my life, because that is not the way we have been brought up.
Great. Great to know. So, is there any message you would like to give to our viewers about coaching Ginny, and like any value she was able to add you beside your study overseas journey and coaching?
To one thing which I would like to suggest, which I have learned from ma'am, and that she teaches in abundance, is that you should learn how to give back. And once you learn how to give back, you don't know it is going to return to you in many folds. You cannot imagine the impact. Just try to align your powers and your energies at one place, and everything falls into place. That is what I would like to add to the value which I have learned from ma'am over the last few months, and I would like to publicize it to everyone that this is the most useful message which I have got until now.
Okay. Thank you, Sering, for joining us and giving us such a valuable insight and knowledge and your journey with coaching Ginny. And I would like to request our other users as well to check out our other success stories, our website, follow our Instagram page, check out our YouTube channel, check out our website to get to know about what kind of services we offer, and to be a part of our family and be such an insightful and inspiring person like Sering. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
and have a great day.